Good morning, PM friends. So we are into our next day, Turtle Tuesday, from our next week. We've been off from our weekend, and now we finished number 19, which was Mickey Mouse Monday. That was yesterday, and now it's our next day, number 20. Let's count to 20, and then we're going to put that color on. Actually, let's put the color on first, because that way we'll know to count it. So we have our green, yellow, orange, green, yellow, orange, green, yellow, orange. Starting it over now. Green, that's right. All right, so now we can count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We got all the way to 20. As you can see, we're at the bottom of our month of October. We only have the rest of this week, and then next week till we get to Halloween, and then we change our month. All right, so a couple things today. All right, let's come down here. Yesterday I had you reading this book, and I asked you some comprehension questions about this story, The Little Old Lady Who Was Not Afraid of Anything. And it's by Linda Williams. That's the author. Illustrated by Megan Lloyd. That's the person who drew all the pictures. That's the illustrator. So this lady was not afraid of anything, was she? And what happened at the end of the story? She ran into all of those pieces that when put together, it turned into a scarecrow. That's right. You read it yesterday, so you must have known it's a scarecrow. We're going to do a lot more things with scarecrows this week. What do scarecrows scare? Yes, they scare away all the crows, those black crows that try to eat all of the crops from the farmer, like the corn and the apples, all of the food that the farmer grows, those crows try to eat. So the scarecrow says, boo, and makes them fly, fly away. All right, so we're gonna make a scarecrow. So I'm gonna get my marker here, and at home, you have your whiteboard and you can practice making a scarecrow. And I also sent in, can you see okay without the lights on? Good? Okay. All right. So we're going to, at home, you'll have a piece of paper that says how to draw a scarecrow. So we'll look first at this first part here. It looks kind of like a semicircle, doesn't it? So I'm going to draw kind of like a half circle and then close it off at the top like a semicircle. And then the next picture over here, it looks like kind of like Saturn's ring, doesn't it? So we're going to kind of go around to make it look like Saturn's ring at the top. That's going to be the top part of the scarecrow's hat. And then if you do a little rectangle on the top, little line, big line, little line, big line, that's going to be the top part of the scarecrow's hat. And then of course you need some eyes, and you can use triangle eyes like in the picture. So down, over, up, down, over, up, and then some dots in there. And another triangle for his nose. And then the mouth is really cool. You just do a half circle like that, and then make little lines, like a railroad track it looks kind of like, doesn't it? And then you can make little circles at the end of his smile. And there we have it. You can add extra things if you want. You can make him his shirt. You can even put, like, it looks like they've got like some sort of patch on the top of his hat. Okay, you can decorate it however you want. But that's how you can make a scarecrow. So see if you can do that at home. And what letter does scarecrow begin with? Listen to the sounds. Ooh, that's the letter S. To make the S, we do a little curve, like a C, but then we come back around and make another little curve. And that's the letter S. And you can practice that at home with your Matman pieces too. All right? And then the last thing that we're gonna have you do today is at home, you also have your little scarecrow shapes person and some shapes in the bag. So you're going to put it down flat on a piece of, on a table, and you can dump out your shapes, and you can match the shapes to the scarecrow. So here we go on his head. We've got his triangle hat. Okay, and then we got his shirt, and they're made out of diamonds. So you're gonna put all the diamonds on his shirt. And then his pants are made out of squares. Maybe you can count how many squares altogether we need for his pants. So you can do some counting. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then his boots are red, and they're made out of trapezoids. So we have our trapezoids down there. And you can just finish up your scarecrow at home, just the same way I did mine. All right, have fun. Talk to you soon. Bye.